Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and do me a huge favor and subscribe to my channel. As you can tell in this video, I'm going to be reviewing and trying out the new shades from Fenty Beauty, her new Stunna lip paints that just dropped not too long ago. I am a little late on reviewing them and getting them, but like, better late than never. I'm just happy that I have them. I have not tried any of the shades. I'm going to be trying for the first time here with you guys and on camera. I'm really excited because I've had them for a minute, but I haven't tried them on myself or swatched them or anything. So me putting them on myself today is literally the first time I've ever tried them on. Didn't even get to try them on at the stores. I literally just grabbed shades I wanted and dipped. I already have a black by Anastasia, so I didn't want to get another liquid black lipstick because you don't really need but one black, and how many times you're gonna be wearing black lipsticks? I know personally I don't, but I just didn't need to. So I already had the red shade by Fenty's line and the shade Uncensored, so no need for that rebuy. I already had it. So I'm first gonna be showing you guys the shade Unbutton, which looks like this. It looks like a light brown nude color, which, you know, I'm totally up for. But I'm first going to, of course, wipe this lipstick that's off on my lips right now. I want to say this is Sipa by Anastasia. Okay, so now that my lips are nice and clean, no color on them, I am going to apply the shade Unbutton. This is what the applicator looks like. It's like a little circle-y, oval-y type applicator. It's a little different. It's the first time I've ever seen an applicator look like this. I have not seen one before that actually has this shape, but you know. Okay, so as you can tell, the shade is pretty light on my skin tone. I don't think I am feeling it too much on my skin tone. It did apply very smoothly. I'm kind of just like now waiting for it to dry a little bit because it is still in its like liquid form. But this is what the color looks like fully dry. And honestly, like I said, it's a little light. I'm not honestly feeling it. Maybe if I did align my lips with a darker color, maybe like a brown or another neutral, I'd like it a little bit better. It is a matte finish. It's supposedly supposed to last up to 12 hours. It's a long wear lipstick. And now that it's completely dry, I'm gonna do a lip test. And it showed up just a tad bit. Like I said, it is fully dry, but it also just showed up on my hand when I just did a kiss test. So I'm not sure how this would be long wearing because some of the pigmentation did just come off of my hand. And if it's supposed to be lasting up to 12 hours, I'm not sure how that's supposed to work. I do feel like the applicator is really nice when applying the lipstick because it has a side that's more of like a sharp head to it. So you can line your lips with the applicator itself and not just, you know, throwing it on there and have to go clean it up. I didn't have to clean this lipstick up, not at all, and it got directly on my lips. So I feel like that's a plus. But as far as the color, I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. On me, it's more of a nude, really light brown nudish color. But this is Unbutton. So the next shade is Uncuffed. It's very similar to Unbutton. It's just a little bit darker in pigmentation. So let's see how this one looks on. That's what it looks like. It's like a more warmer toned nude color. It has like a kind of like a pink hint to it. It's what the color looks like with one coat. It's absolutely dry right now. It's not too drying, you know, like some mattes are like really intensely drying of the lips when you feel like you have to put like a coat of chapstick underneath the first layer of lipstick you apply. I feel like that's not needed with these lipsticks because they have like a little bit of like moisture to them. So with this shade and the first shade, I only applied one coat of the liquid lipstick, and I feel like as if the pigmentation is pretty good for just one coat. I'm curious to see what 2 coats look like, so once this shade fully dries, which it's very close to doing, I will apply a second coat just to see what the color will look like, if it will change or anything like that. I'm about to go ahead and apply a second coat of the shade Uncuffed, and I just want to see and test out, will anything change with the color, anything will change with the pigmentation. Yeah, I'm just like playing with it, I guess. Trial and error, see what happens. So now that the second coat is fully dry, I honestly don't think it changed much. That's what it looks like. And I honestly like this color. Like, this is a nice, pretty nude pink color. Like, I feel like I can wear this as like, not an everyday, but like a nice neutral pink to just throw on with any look. This is really cute. I like this color a lot. Oh, and now since it's fully dry, I'm gonna do a kiss test and see if it's quote unquote long wearing and, you know, lasting up to 12 hours. Because if it passes the kiss test, I know for sure it is long wearing. So let's see. I mean, I don't know about you, but if it's coming off during my kiss test, I don't know if it's gonna be long wearing. And this is after 2 coats, so I don't know what you're doing here, Fenty, but don't say it's long wearing if, you know, it's not long wearing, because it's not long wearing, okay? Okay. The next and last shade I'm going to be trying on is the shade Unveil, and it's a nice pretty brown, and I'm here for it because I like browns, you know? They look cute on my complexion, so let's try out this shade, shall we? Honestly, the more I use this applicator and like get the hang of it, I guess, I like it a lot more. I feel like it's just easy to apply. Like I said, one side is more like, has like a sharper edge so you can line your lips with it. And then the other shade is more of a flat edge so you can just easily slide across your lip. It's perfect, honestly. Like, I see you, Riri. I am so here for this brown, honestly. Like, look at this. This is such a pretty brown. Like, it's not even done drying yet, and I'm like loving it already. So as this color is drying, I am noticing that it is a little see-through in some spots. And maybe that this color would not last the full 12 hours, but it is a really, really pretty brown. I like how it's not like too dark or too light. It's like the perfect fall brown. Like, this is literally a perfect shade. And like, makes your smile pop because dark colors just make your teeth look even whiter. But yeah, like I really like this. And like I said, your lips do not feel dry at all. And that's like so nice because I deal with a lot of drying matte lipsticks. Like, it just feels really nice and smooth. Like, I don't have to worry about like when I smile, I get lipstick in my teeth. It also does not take long for the lipstick to dry. So like, you can just go about, you know, put in your makeup and stuff, and like 2 seconds later, your lipstick is dry. Like, that's awesome. You know, that's how it's supposed to be. But like, some other liquid lipsticks take a little bit longer to dry. You're just like, come on now, like, lips dry. But this is the shade Unveil, and I will have to say this is my fave. I'm not gonna lie. And for the 3rd time, I'm going to do the kiss test on my hand. Make sure it's clean, just to show you guys if it will be long lasting like it says. Because if it doesn't pass the kiss test, how can it pass the long wearing test? So I'm gonna wait for my hand to dry because I just took a makeup wipe to it, and we shall see if this shade passes the test. Oh, this one did a better job, honestly. Like, not much at all is coming from this brown, which is really nice. Since it is a darker shade, yeah, I would expect more of the color to wear off, but it did not, so that's a plus. Overall, I liked all these shades. With the lighter shade on Button, I will have to take like maybe a darker color and line my lips with it, but it is a nice nude neutral color, which is really cute. But I will have to say this brown is where it's at, especially in the fall time. Like, I'm loving it. So now I officially have 4 of the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paints, and I love them. Only thing negative I have to say is that like I don't see them lasting all day or the time period you spend out. I don't think it will last, but it's so small and cute. Like, you can easily store this in your pocket, your pocketbook, your purse, your wallet. You can literally tote this around in anything since it's so small, and just reapply. That's literally it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please ask below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.